Hey everyone, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri, and today I'm going to give you a quick room tour of room 7002 on Royal Caribbean's Radiance of the Seas. I'm going to have this video footage repeat itself as I talk through the room tour. When you come in, there are some regular lights, not the new school lights where you have to put your key card in to charge them, but Radiance has the old school lights. You just turn them on and off. You don't have to put your key card in to charge them. This is a very old ship. As you can see, that's the cooler there. The TV was above that. It does swivel a little bit towards the bed. The drawers are very old. They do creak. There was a blow dryer in that top drawer there. The chair was old. Everything's very old in this ship, but there is a lot of space to put your belongings. There is a closet right when you walk in on the side, and the air conditioning control is very old school as well. Now, I want to tell you guys, this ship was super hot when we walked on it. Something was wrong with the HVAC on this ship the entire time. Our rooms were very hot for the majority of the day. And the nighttime was better. The heat did better, or the air did better at night, but it was super, super hot on this ship. So something was not right. Hopefully your experience was not like ours. The life jackets are still kept in the room on this ship. They were at the top shelf there. And this is the closet space that I'm opening here. Those two white bars let down if you want more organization. It does come with a nice amount of hangers, but I probably could have used some more hangers. We were on a 5-night cruise, 6 days. And if you lift those white bars up, they will come down. The bed is all the way at the end there. I was expecting the window to be flush to the bed. This is a spacious ocean view, but the window was not flush to the bed. We were located on the forward side of the ship, and the helipad view was right behind my bed, right through my window there. You can see a little bit of the helipad. So that window was very deep and it went out. There were a lot of mirrors in this room, guys. I did love the full size mirror. There's a mirror by the bed. There's a mirror at your makeup counter, your desk, and you just see yourself through all angles on this ship. Okay. They made sure you would be able to see yourself in all angles. The bathroom is very small in this spacious ocean view. It has a shower curtain, which I absolutely hate. Of course, the bathroom's very old. I will tell you the honest truth. This shower is the smallest shower I've ever experienced on any cruise ever in my life. We were on the Carnival Sunshine earlier this year in February, and the shower is smaller than that one. I don't know what the heck, guys. Shower was horrible. You do have to step up into that bathroom. They did have shelves behind the mirror. Because this is a spacious ocean view room, there is a curtain to separate the bed from the other side of the room. So you could have pulled out a sofa bed there with the sofa. You could have pulled the curtain across, and other people could have slept in this room. I was the only person in this room, so there was no need for me to use that privacy feature. Zooming out, you can see the bed there. This is the old school light switch. That was the air conditioning, that little turn knob. Those are the old school light switches there as well. So there's a light switch for the bathroom, and then there's light switches for the rooms. There are 2 end tables beside the bed. They do not have plugs beside the bed. I forgot to mention that safe there above the TV. The safe I loved. It was very easy to program. It does not fit a laptop. It only fit a very small purse. You can only fit small belongings in that safe, so keep that in mind. It will not fit a big laptop or an iPad or anything of that nature. So as I was saying, there are 2 nightstands beside the bed that do not have plugs, and the drawers are very small. You can't really fit anything in there. In the drawers, not too much beside the bed, and there's a phone beside the bed as well that I didn't really zoom in on, but that's okay. So there is a breakfast room service menu at the top drawer that I didn't mention. You can order breakfast to the room. When you get in the room, all your paperwork will be on the desk. If you ordered any drink packages, the water package, the water will be in there, and your drink cup should be in there if you ordered the soda package. There are 2 storage little mini closets beside that dressing room mirror as well. So That's also there was also extra storage. Let's see, what else do I want to say about this room, other than the fact that it was ridiculously hot most of the time. The room was just okay. If I ever got on the ship again, I would definitely pay to upgrade to a suite of some sort, just because the ship is older. And we didn't have a lot of noise. Even though we were in the front of the ship, we did hear some noise in the beginning, but we didn't hear noise throughout the trip after that. There were some rocky moments on the seas, but they weren't too bad. Oh, the bed, let me tell you, you cannot fit a suitcase underneath that bed. So some ships have it where the suitcases fit very nicely underneath the bed. My parents and I could not fit our suitcases underneath that bed, so that's another drawback there. We did not get a lot of towel animals. I'm going to show a picture of 2 towel animals after these videos, but we did not get a lot of towel animals because our room steward, he just really wasn't the best, honestly. He gave us towel animals twice maybe, and he cleaned our rooms super, super late. So we didn't want a late cleaning time. It was forced upon us. I mean, there are 2 options for cleaning time, either between 8 to 10:30 or after 4. He came late every night, which disrupted our schedule because we like to take a nap during the afternoons after the island. Our whole schedule was just disrupted because of the steward guy. But yeah, so just keep that in mind. Hopefully you guys have a better steward than we did. Let me know if you have any questions about this room, or, just any questions about staying on the forward part of the ship. Oh, we were super far from the elevators, guys. If you say on this end, if you take the forward elevators, you're okay. You still have a short walk. It's still a walk either way. Either way, with this side of the ship, there's a walk to the elevators no matter where you are. So just keep that in mind as well. I thought our rooms were going to be connecting. My parents stayed in 7,000, but they were not connecting. I was very disappointed in that. When I booked it, the room said connecting, but when we got on the ship, they were not. So that was another thing. Keep that in mind if you book 7002 and 7,000. They are not connecting rooms. You can see our little bat towel there. We had a starfish before that. And yeah, guys, any other questions, let me know. I will be posting more videos from our Thanksgiving trip on Radiance of the Seas. Those will be posted to the channel coming soon. So stay tuned, and thanks again for your time. Thanks for subscribing, liking, and sharing. Hey guys, I just misspoke. That was a swordfish, not a starfish. And one last thing I wanted to mention, so important, the windows on these forward facing rooms, they are reflective. We had the housekeeping manager tell us that the windows were reflective. So if you like to walk around naked after the shower, make sure your curtain is closed. They will reflect your naked image. This is so important because I did have to make sure my windows were closed. Keep that in mind. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks again for watching.